Hello and welcome back to video 3. Today we are going to be adding chords to our drum beat that we did last time. To find the chords that we're going to be using, click on the bottom right hand side where it says BandLab Sounds. This will bring up all of the loops. You can see we've got lots of loop packs or individual loops. Go up to the right hand side to find the search bar and click on this. I want you to type in hype piano. You can listen to the loops that come up by clicking on the play button. The loop that we are going to be using is hype 4, 125, A minor, 4 bar. Click and drag the loop into your arrange window. You can see it automatically creates a new track for you and it asks to set the project to A minor. This is useful, so click on set. Once you have dragged in your loop, select and drag this to the beginning of your song at bar 1. And once you've done that, let's make the chords a little bit longer. Go ahead and extend the loop until the end of bar 24. Let's have a listen. We are now going to add another set of chords to add variety to our song. Go ahead and open up BandLab Sounds again. It should have kept your previously loaded search. We want to add something a little bit different to add variety. Go ahead and find hype 26, A minor piano 028. Once again, we're going to drag and drop this into the same track this time, not a new one. I'm going to close this tab again, and this time we're going to extend the loop to the end of bar 40. You can see that this loop is also in the same key, A minor. This is important to keep the song sounding consistent. Let's go back to the track list on the left hand side and rename the chord track to Keys. The name it was given is quite long and confusing and we just want to be able to see clearly what it is. Make sure to save your work and I will see you in the next video where we'll be adding our own bass line.